Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Is this not the most beautiful salt and pepper grinder set you have ever seen? I'm a little bit obsessed with them. These are from PJCKitchen and I absolutely love them. So this is a set of two. You get one for salt, one for pepper, and they're super durable and definitely made with high quality materials. So this is a glass bottom where you fill the salt and pepper, and the top is a stainless steel with a copper finish, which is just so beautiful. It also comes with this bamboo base, which I think just adds to the beautiful look, and it also helps you to just kind of keep your kitchen tidy and organized. And when you bring this to the table, when you have friends over, it is very impressive looking. So I love how easy these are to fill. I also love that the grinding function works flawlessly. So very little effort is needed to grind your salt and pepper, and you can also adjust the coarseness. Another incredible feature is that these lids are actually magnetic. So you put them on and it holds onto it. So you're not gonna easily lose your lid, it's not gonna fall off. Those lids also help to keep moisture out and dust out of the grinder, and they also help to preserve your spices, which is great. So I really could not be happier with this salt and pepper grinder set. I think that they're beautiful, they're very well made, definitely a high quality product, and they're simple to fill and very simple to use. And that is my point of view.